everybody, I'm Rushil, and I'm here to make a bouncy and squishy egg. So you guessed it, all we need is a raw egg, a little cup, and some vinegar. So first we already poured the vinegar into the little cup. So next we'll gently drop the egg. Now all you have to do is wait for 24 hours. You see the cool bubbles? That's because of the chemical reaction when we drop the egg into the vinegar. The vinegar spotted the egg. Then it's trying to dissolve all the eggshell. But you have to wait for 24 hours. We're gonna come tomorrow, and then I'll show you how bouncy and squishy it is. I'm gonna vanish. Okay, I'm back. And I said 24 hours, but actually it took like 2 days, which is actually 48 hours. Look at the foam which came up. That's because of the chemical reaction between eggshell and vinegar. Now let me take it off with a spoon. Wow, look how bubbly it is. And clean this in a bowl of water. Clean it very, very gently. Finally, clean it all up and see the color. Here's the egg. See how squishy it is? Let me show you how bouncy it is. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy egg. Now let me show you one more cool trick with the bouncy egg. So we're keeping the bouncy egg on my mom's phone torchlight, and see how transparent and really, really glowy it is. See? I could use this as a light when there's like no electricity. That would be an awesome idea. Hope you like it. Let me tell you one more thing. Make sure you bounce it from a low height, not too big. Let me drop it from here. See, it bounces. Let me drop it from here. It bounces too. Let me drop it from here now. It bounces. Wow. Wow, it bounces. Now let me show you what happens if you drop it from too high. Yeah, see? When I dropped it from like this high, it broke. And see? It's a little liquidy, and also the skin is very rubbery. Wow. It's fun to do this. You can try at home too. Hope you like this video, and bye-bye. I just have to clean this up. See you later.